What's up everyone, thank you so much for coming back to my channel, and I'm back with another episode of Snack Attack. If you didn't see the first video, go ahead and check it out. I'll leave a link to it for you, and while you're at it, go ahead and subscribe below and click that link so you can be notified. So if you want to see this quick and easy recipe, go ahead and keep on watching. So the produce I'm using today is sweet potato. You know, sometimes you feel for something savory, whether it's to taste up the mouth, open or close the appetite. I'm going to be showing you a fun, easy, healthy, savory snack. So these are my potatoes, and I'm going ahead and I'm washing these properly. That's because I'm not going to be removing the skin. This is completely optional. If you do not want to keep the skin because you don't like the taste or the idea of it, definitely go ahead and remove them, peel them off. But I'm washing these and I'm going to rinse it, and then I'm going to remove the ends of the potatoes. Then I'm going in and I'm making some thin, even strips. The thinner the strips, the easier they are to cook, and that makes them a little bit more crunchy. And when the strips are even, that ensures that all of your potatoes will tend to cook at the same time. None is going to be overcooked or undercooked. So you want to make them as thin and as even as you're able to. And I like to use this size and this shape potato because it looks like chips when you slice them. But if you don't have this, you can use whatever you have and make them into the shape that you want. So now I'm going to go ahead and add some flavoring. This again is completely optional. What you choose to add is up to you. If you want, for example, it to be hot and spicy, you can add some cayenne pepper, some dried pepper. Whatever you choose to add is up to you. I'm just adding some salt, some basil, some dried basil and oregano. Then I'm placing this into a container, and then I'm going to drizzle just a little bit of olive oil onto that, and then I'm going to mix this, and then I'm going to layer this in one layer on a baking sheet. So I'm going ahead and I'm going to place this into the oven. These usually take about 20 to 25 minutes, 30 minutes max, depending on how thick or how thin you actually cut the slices. I usually bake this at about 300 degrees, and after I've reached 10 or 15 minutes, I pull this out and I flip the potatoes onto the next side, place it back into the oven for another 10 or 15 minutes, and then when that side is cooked, I may allow it to stay a little longer if I want the color to become a little brown, or if I want the chips to become a little more crispy. It's all up to you, as long as it's thoroughly cooked and the chips are nice and crunchy. And this is it, guys. This is the result. It's fun, easy, healthy, and tasty. And you can definitely go ahead and serve this with a dip if you choose to. I normally just have it by itself because it's so fun. I can have it with breakfast, I can have it with lunch, in between while I'm watching a movie. It's so fun and easy, and it's really good. So let me know if you've tried it before, or if you're planning to try it. Let me know some of the flavors that you decided to add to this recipe. And if you like the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and share it with someone. I'm challenging you to share this video with someone. Like the video and definitely subscribe below and click the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. Until next time, I'm your girl Momo. Thanks for watching this video. Take care.